Hey there. Welcome to Future Bike Hub 09. We're here to talk about a super cool and life-changing ride, a 2022 dark-themed ramp car designed for accessibility, comfort, and style. This isn't just a regular car, it's an all-in-one mobility solution. Let's dive into the design, starting with the appearance. You might think it's just another fancy car with a sleek dark finish, giving it a bold, stunning, and powerful presence. The matte black or deep metallic gray color captures the light perfectly both indoors and outdoors. But the real value starts when we examine the ramp system. Packed with an automatic or semi-automatic ramp placed at the rear or side door, this car makes wheelchair accessibility easy. The ramp's surface is made with anti-slip material, ensuring a safe entry and exit for everyone. Now let's talk about the interior. Its interior is spacious, clean, and made for practicality. The seating can adapt to fit a wheelchair securely in place. Safety locks and safety straps ensure staying solid during the drive. The interior follows the dark premium theme, with comfortable leather seats, ambient lighting, and a cool dashboard. Everything is specifically crafted to provide comfort and dignity for the user. Let's cover some performance points. Although it's designed for people with mobility issues, this car still packs a punch. It comes with a dependable engine, smooth automatic transmission, and superior suspension, ensuring the perfect ride on both city streets and long drives. Driving this car feels stable, calm, and refined, just like a luxury ride. We've even got some cool features to talk about. This Ram car includes power sliding doors, remote-controlled ramp access, advanced safety features like airbags and brakes, rear camera and parking sensors, climate control to keep you comfortable. And that's not all. There's even more to explore. In use, this car is perfect for families, caregivers, and individuals who need extra mobility support. It offers independence, self-confidence, and freedom, creating a truly unique experience. Overall, a 2022 dark ramp car is a perfect combo of style, technology, and accessibility. This vehicle shows that modern rides can be both impressive and inclusive. If you found this video and want to see more awesome rides like this, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to Future Bike Hub 09. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated on new videos. Great job watching. Stay tuned for more amazing car features.